Welcome to Dinah's channel, Aquaba. How you doing? How are you doing? Today, guess what we're going to be talking about? Jamaican food. You know, it does not matter where you go when you travel in the different countries on planet Earth. There comes a point where you say, I feel for so and so. You feel for your food from the country of your birth. And right here in Ghana is pretty diverse. And I've noticed you have many different eateries and restaurants from different ethnic groups, right? So you feel for Chinese, you can get the Chinese, Japanese, Mexican, and the likes. And so I would like to know, do we have a couple or quite a few of Jamaican eateries, restaurants here in Ghana? There's a particular place that has been on my agenda, and today is the day that I'm going to go and check it out. Authentic Jamaican food, fusion, continental. But I'm feeling for some one or two things, today. And so I'm going to head out there. But, let me put this to you again. I've been here in Ghana. Time going very fast. Landed on the 29th of March. So you can figure that out. And in moving around, you do have your roadside vendors in Ghana, whether fruits and veg, and some selling the little food types, and you have the little roast corner going on. But what would you think of our little Jamaican jerkers in the drum pan? Just imagine that, because Ghana, we have already established, aesthetically looks like Jamaica, and a lot of the things that they do, certainly in foods, is similar to Jamaica. But you want to get excited if some little authentic Jamaican drum pan on the roadside offering jerkers as you know best. I'm just thinking, and I see opportunity and possibility. But right now I'll be heading out to this Jamaican eatery, and I'm going to invite you. And when I get there, I hope to get a few nice shots, and certainly you will see what I'll be eating, and I'll pretty much give you an idea of what the makeup of the menu is for persons out there who don't know. Because when the diaspora comes in, whether again for vacation, at some point in time, even though you cook at home, you're going to say, all right, I tried this, I tried that, I want some Jamaican this, that, or the other. And so I'm going to try and find out, how many we have in Ghana. And if there's anybody out there in the audience that knows of couple, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Raining in Ghana, but it's not pounding, let us just say. And so I'm going to go out there. So hold tight, stay tuned and join me as I show you the place where I'm going and what the food looks like. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until then, God bless.